Welcome back to Baking the Basics.
Today we are making
chocolate chip cookies from scratch.
Yeah.
So this
I'm
is
Maddie Rose. She's Magnolia.
Elizabeth Ann. So this is the second part of our series. We're doing the battle of chocolate chip cookies made from a package versus from scratch. So we found a super easy recipe, just 6 ingredients.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
We have our chocolate chips. And we have eggs, vanilla, salt, I think. And we have
Brown sugar.
And flour. Hey guys, just came out of the oven.
It's super hot, don't touch it. Here's our cookies.
Yep.
Yummy.
Yummy.
So I added a little more flour, so these are a little bit fluffier than the first batch, and then I also put some chocolate chips on the top. Yummy! Thanks for watching our video on how to make super easy 6 ingredient chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
Our next video is going to be a taste test to see if packaged Betty Crocker cookies taste better than cookies from scratch. So stay tuned to watch our next video. Bye.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.